Wicklow County Council is a complex organisation employing 750 people across various skills and disciplines. Our aim is to provide high quality services to the people of County Wicklow, and we have various plans and strategies in place which assist and enable us to do this.
ArcGIS Online is a cloud-based mapping system for organisations that is changing how GIS managers, as well as IT managers, think about mapping and GIS. It allows us to view and manage our GIS data, perform analysis and create field apps, which enable field data collection and also the management of a mobile workforce.
Well, we had already started to collect a lot of data in the cloud, and we're using Esri's products like Survey 1 to 3 and the Collector Up. And we saw that how easy it was to collect this data and manage this data in the cloud. So that was a catalyst for us to migrate all our data to the cloud environment. In Wicklow County Council, basically everybody has access to GIS in some form, whether that be on their PC, their smartphone or tablet. We have an open data policy here within Wicklow County Council, which means we try to be as transparent as possible with our data sets.
ArcGIS is used in highway maintenance for mapping of our stormwater network so that we know where it is. It's very important with climate change and increased development to know what's going on with stormwater, to deal with a lot of flooding that's going on, just to inform us where everything is, how it's working and to make sure it keeps working.
The Sustainable Development Goal mapping tool was designed to allow us to showcase some of the work that's been done in County Wicklow delivering on the Sustainable Development Goals. There's a whole range of goals, 17 in total, and we wanted to show that range of actions and the range of different groups and organisations involved. This mapping tool allows us to show how individual goals are being delivered across a whole range of projects, actions and campaigns in County Wicklow.
Long term now we have data and we have a mapping system. I mean, the GIS section worked very well with the County Wicklow Volunteer Bureau and the Public Participation Network. They worked with them very quickly to map all the community activity and the community groups in the county, and we now have that.
Our information hub here in Wicklow is where we assist the public in any queries they have via the phone or email or any method of communication that comes in our way. So for that we use the mapping systems if we have queries and we're not sure an area maybe that they live in or who can deal with their query, and would pass on the information to that manner.
My name is Bill Ryan. I'm an Environmental Enforcement Officer with Wicklow County Council. Before we had the app, it was a pen and paper process. Very time consuming. I would have to come into the office and do everything. The report goes from the tablet into the office and process it. It's a speedier process, and then we work on the investigation file. It saves me a lot of time and I can attend a lot more calls during the day, and I find it an excellent app.
Moving Wicklow's GIS to the cloud has made the planning process more efficient. We're able to access numerous data sets quickly, such as planning applications, enforcement cases and vacant sites and derelict sites. New cases are digitised directly to the cloud, which means all users have instant access.
The move to cloud has helped managing the stormwater network by knowing exactly where everything is. It's hard to manage stuff if you don't know you have it.
So one of the benefits we saw from moving to the cloud was performance. We saw a huge increase in speed and write to the data, also the management of the data. Once the data is in the cloud, it's much easier for us to share that data out to our internal employees and third-party stakeholders like consultants and the members of the public.